As we all know, AI is changing everything. But the problem about this is that most people are consuming everything about AI, but they're not creating anything that can generate them income. Today, I'm going to show you one of the easiest AI side hustles that beginners can start in 2026. Even if you have no experience, no audience, and no technical skills, this can work for you. I want you to stay until the end because I want to show you how this business can turn into an online business that generates income for you consistently. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanique and I help women build faith, freedom, and also online business. Today we're talking about AI, but we're not talking about the hype. We're talking about the simplest way you can use AI to generate income. So, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. AI has drastically increased productivity, but a lot of businesses are overwhelmed. Many business owners know that they should be using AI, but they have no idea where to start. And that is where the opportunity exists. Opportunities always exist where confusion exists. And if you're interested in, learning more about AI opportunities or AI side hustles that you can start online, I created a free guide which explains and show you 10 AI side hustle which you can pick any one of those to get started from. So I'll link the guide down in the description box below. You can grab it now. One of the easiest AI side hustle is helping businesses create content. Using simple AI tools, you can help businesses to create social media posts, blog articles, video scripts, email newsletters, and also content calendars. Business owners always want consistency, but most of them don't have the time, and this is where you come in. So I'll show you how to get started. So what you want to do is to learn one AI tool. So you're going to pick one tool and you don't have to learn 10. So you want to learn one and you're going to master it. So I want you to focus on ChatGPT, Claude, or even Canva AI and spend 1 week learning the prompts. So a great place where you can learn, learn AI, you can use Google to help you. So right here, Google AI, this is a place where you can go to learn AI skills. So as a beginner, you can go to Google, type in, how to use AI or learn AI, and this is a great place where you can just go there to learn the basics of what AI is, how you can use it to help customers or clients and how you can use AI. So after you've gained all the knowledge on it, then you can now offer your services to persons. So this is just a place where you can go just to get started in learning more about AI. So you're going to experiment them, you're going to choose one of them and do your research, and you're going to use this to build confidence. So step two, you're going to have to, create some sample work. People are always going to want to see what you can do before they hire you. So before getting clients, you want to create some examples. So you're going to generate, if it is, if you're doing Instagram posts, you're going to generate some Instagram posts. You can also generate, content calendars, email campaigns, or even marketing ideas. So you want to build a small portfolio because people buy what they can see. Step three, now you're going to want to find clients. So you can reach out to coaches, realtor, beauty businesses, or local service businesses in your area. So many of these businesses, they need content help, you know, and a very few of them have systems. So you want to offer a simple starter package and you're just going to focus on getting one result for them. And if you want a complete roadmap, as I said, I've created 10 AI side hustle idea, which I break down everything on how you can choose your ideas and get started. I've also linked it down in the description box below, so grab it if you want to learn more. Step four, you're going to turn the service into a product. And this is where things get excited. Instead of only selling your time, start creating prompt bundles, templates, AI guides, or even mini courses. Now your knowledge becomes scalable. So you move from trading your time for money to creating assets. So, step five, you want to create a personal brand. So, what you want to do is to build a personal brand online. Document this journey, document everything that you're doing, and start to build your brand online. So you can show people online, what you've learned or, clients' results, show what you're doing because when people see that, then they will also be interested in purchasing what you're selling. People always love to see progress. And the thing about that, you don't need to be perfect. You just have to stay consistent. So the reason why this works is because most people overcomplicate business. They always think that they need a website, they need logo or they need expensive software. You don't need all of those. So you don't need to overcomplicate it. The only thing that you need is a skill that people want. The only thing that you need is to solve a problem that people have. And what AI does is to help you to deliver this service or this thing even faster. So, in my conclusion, I want to let you know that AI isn't replacing entrepreneurs. AI is empowering us as entrepreneurs because AI is there. There are tools that you can use. And remember, AI is not able to have conversation. AI is not able to do a lot of things that we humans are able to do. So don't feel like AI is here to replace you. AI is here to help you to generate income and to build a life for your future. So, what I want you to do is to start small, stay consistent, and remember, always keep learning. And always remember, the goal isn't just to make money. The goal of everything is to create freedom. And that is what online business help you to do. And also with the power of AI, it helps you to create the freedom that you want. And if you've enjoyed this video, I want you to subscribe to this channel and download the free guide below. And I'll also see you in the next video. Bye for now.